Hey everybody, I'm TheBardsKitchen.
And I'm the Cup of Fun.
Well, today, we're just gonna make some vegan tacos.
Yeah, we are. Tell me about your vegan taco inspiration, Ashlyn.
Well, I try to eat a little meat because I can't completely restrict my diet from meat because it's already really hard. But having vegan dinner is nice sometimes, so making some vegan tacos and it'll be delicious.
Our roommate is also vegan, except for dairy, sour cream, chicken, cheese. He goes by aggressive vegetarian. But anyways, today we're gonna make a recipe that I developed to try to create tacos without meat, without that weird tofu, tempeh, jackfruit.
Jackfruit's just not very tasty.
We do it the old-fashioned way.
Make some veggies.
With cauliflower and mushrooms.
And it'll be delicious.
Alright, let's do it. My hands down to do the thing. Alright, first things first, it's cut-in time. Take this cauliflower, we're gonna make it kind of rough, ground beefy-esque shapes.
Yeah,
Give it that
sure.
similar texture. So you could be a heathen and cut it up all by hand. But I don't have that kind of time in my life. Someone use a food processor, just kind of blitz it down. But first things first, doesn't quite fit. So I have to cut it up so it fits inside the bowl. And then we're gonna process it. And so, with the power of knife magic. 1, 2, 3. Boom, look at that. With the magic knife skills, the forgotten gods, we have cauliflower. So we're just gonna put it up into our processor and mince it up into little pellets. Alright, after a nice little mincing pulsing, we have this nice kind of riced cauliflower. Nice and small and fine. A bit finer than I wanted. I got a little crazy. That's gonna be our taco meat.
It'll be delicious.
But wait, cauliflower alone is not enough for taco meat. For that, we're also gonna need some mushrooms. And unlike the huge head of cauliflower, mushrooms go right in the processor. And again, if not, hey, knives are knives for a reason. Keep in mind, mushrooms shrink quite a bit when you cook them, so maybe make them larger chunks. Maybe smaller chunks if you don't want them to be so prevalent.
Sure.
Now that we have our beautifully minced up mushroom, beautifully minced up cauliflower, it's time to add them to a beautifully not so minced up pot with some oil in it.
What's the point? Mushrooms like oil.
Mushrooms love oil.
I think I'll suck it up.
So we're just going to add these bad boys in here and saute them for about 15 minutes. You can call it sauteing in a pot. Now while that's cooking, we can talk about the spices. Alright, there we have it. Steamed spices. Spice is nice. Now you could use that pre-made packet of taco seasoning, but that's just like 70% cumin and then some cornstarch and a few other things. So we're going to show you taco spice done the right way. Taco spice, taco seasoning. Going down the line, starting over here we have our beautiful, we didn't have enough containers. This is oregano and crushed pepper, red pepper. Oregano is going to add some herbiness, some greatness. Crushed red pepper is going to add a little bit of heat. Someone likes a little heat in their tacos. Pepper's great. Chili powder, a little more heat, a little more flavor, some more depth. MSG, or MSG as some people call it. It's great, it adds some more meatiness and umami. It's fine, it's healthy. The things people said in the 80s were wrong. 70s.
I mean, I wouldn't say healthy, but it's not bad for you.
This is bad for you as table salt. Cumin, this is the star of the show. This is what makes tacos taste like tacos. Culinary school, when we were learning our spices, we were told cumin was the one that smells like tacos. Paprika, it's going to add a little bit of redness, a little smokiness, always great. Salt makes everything better. Use salt. So there's a little bit of our tomato sauce without tomato. Link up there if you want to know how to make that. Or if you use tomato paste, but Ashley can have that. We also add extra tamarind to it, because tamariнд's great. But tomato paste will do the job just fine if you can eat tomatoes. Lastly, coriander adds kind of a citrusy herbiness. It's very tasty. That's our spices. Once we get that simmering down about halfway, we're going to add all the spices and kind of toast them into it. Let them infuse, incorporate, and become delicious. Now it's cooked down a decent amount. You can see it's starting to cook into each other. It's starting to become a nice brown goodness. You don't want to cook it too much, because then the cauliflower gets all soft and chewy.
Then it's going to be like cauliflower mash.
Yeah, you want some texture in there. So now it's spice time. You ready for this, Ashlyn?
Yeah.
Go, go, go! Now it's all nice and spicy. Just gonna mix these bad boys up. I'm gonna cook a little bit longer. Important things to remember we forgot to mention. Garlic powder, onion powder. They're great, they're in the recipe down below, but our roommate Ashlyn's brother cannot eat garlic and onions, so we left it out. But add those things, they're delicious. Now you may have noticed we left something out. Earlier I said taco seasoning is just cumin and cornstarch. Now you could use that pre-made packet of taco seasoning, but that's just like 70% cumin and then some cornstarch. Time for that cornstarch. To this we're gonna add 1 cup of flavorful liquid. Pick your liquid of choice. Vegetable stock, maybe some nice mushroom juice, plain water. Get creative. So to this, we're just gonna add our tablespoons of cornstarch. Boop. Mix it all up and add it right this way. You don't want to add the cornstarch straight in, otherwise you'll get some lumpy bits of cornstarch mixed in. That's not nice.
So what's the point of the cornstarch anyways?
Oh boy! So when cornstarch boils, it thickens. And it's going to bind everything together and make that nice kind of taco-y sauciness going on to it. So it's not just meat, or in this case, just vegetables. Add some cohesion. Also, in that stock, we had a tablespoon or so of lime juice. I don't know the measurements. The recipe down below does. Look at it. We're going to go back on the stove, bring this to a boil so it thickens, and we're getting close to taco time. And now the fun part. Put it together. Get your favorite tortilla, burrito, nacho, whatever you like to put your meat on. Get your favorite sides, and it's taco time. Now check that out. Does that look like taco-y goodness to you, Ashlyn?
It sure does.
Only one question left. Does it taste as good as it looks?
I bet it does.
Let's find out. Ashlyn, it must be Tuesday, because it's taco time.
It's not Tuesday, but sure.
It's not.
Any day is a good taco day.
Should we upload this on Tuesday? Let's get into these tacos. Beautiful. I'm going to take this guy on the side here.
I'll take the other side.
I'm sure they won't be cold after sitting.
This does improve over the minute.
Similar, not exactly the same as meat. It's missing that kind of fatty richness. Maybe we'll revisit it in the future and try to make it all fatty and delicious. I've seen some things on the internet and I want to play with later.
Seen things.
I've seen things. In the future, I think maybe make the cauliflower a bit bigger. We pulsed it too far. We got crazy with power of the processor. Besides that, what do you think, Ashley?
I think it was fine. I don't even think it was pulsed too much. I think it's okay. Okay.
Is there something that you missed and want us to try to replicate, remake? Let us know. Something you missed, allergic to, new diet, weird thing. We'll try our best.
Down below you can find my Twitter and email, and you can email me any questions you might have about the recipes, or if you want to inquire about things you want us to make.
And we do accept all cat pictures.
Oh yeah, we love them cats. And doggos too. In fact, just all your animals. Just send me all your animals.
Anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next recipe.
You guys are awesome. Bye-bye.